Alright, so basically this is our amortization table. This is continued from budget 1. I'm finding out how much total interest I paid each month. So what this is telling me is in the first month I paid my payment, my monthly payment of $1,143.81. Look at that payment is not changing. Month after month it's the same payment. But only $677 of this amount is going towards paying off the $160,000 that we owe back to the bank, where $466 of it is going towards paying off our interest that we owe. So this is called principal, this is called interest. Principal is the amount we originally borrowed from the bank. So we've paid a total of $466 this month in interest. The second month we've paid a total of $931 in interest. This adds up the interest we've paid over the life of the loan, and if you go all the way to the bottom, this is a scary number, when 15 years will be up, we will have paid $45,886 in interest. So if I go back, it's going to be $45,886.17 plus the cost of the house, which was what I borrowed for $160,000. Okay, so if I add those two up on my calculator, plus $160,000, that equals $205,886.17. So $205,886.17. This is how much the house cost me in total once I paid it off with interest. So the total interest paid is going to be this amount right here, $45,886.17. Then you're going to do the same thing for a 30-year fix. Basically this is saying that it's fixed, so your interest rate isn't changing, and you're going to have 30 years to pay it off. Typically you'll notice when you go in and you find the average interest rates for a 30-year fixed mortgage that they're going to be higher than the 15-year fixed mortgage because it's giving you more time to pay it off. I'm sorry, they're going to be, yes, they're going to be higher. You'll also find that the monthly mortgage payment right here is going to be lower. Monthly speaking, you're going to pay less per month because you have 30 years to pay this off instead of 15 years. So you have a lot more time to get it done. So your monthly payment will be smaller. However, your total cost of your house, once it's paid off with interest, will be higher. Will be higher because your interest rate was higher and you're paying more in interest. So over the life of the loan, it's actually going to be more expensive to do a 30-year than it is to do a 15. But monthly budget speaking, it will be cheaper to do the 30-year. Okay, so then you're going to tell me which loan you chose, 15 or 30-year, and why. Were you concerned more about the monthly payment or the total cost once interest was paid of the house? And that is part 1 of finding a house and financing or setting up a mortgage for your house.